to cross the river, but alas, I cannot swim. With a garden of such beauty, how the flowers seem to grin. There's a house across the river, but alas, I cannot swim. I live my life regretting that I never jumped in. There's a boy across the river with short black curly hair. He wants to be my lover, but I want to be his peer. There's a boy across the river, but as I cannot swim, and I never will get to put my arms around him. There's a life across the river that is meant for me. Instead, I live my life in constant misery. There's a life across the river, but I do not see why I should please those who will never be pleased. There is gold across the river, but I don't want none. There is gold across the river, but I don't want none. Gold is fleeting, gold is fickle, gold is fun. Gold is fleeting, gold is fickle, gold